this package from Amazon and I got some more room decor stuff, and I was going for like a rose gold theme. So I got this bed sheet or whatever, this like comforter cover thing. It like goes, like your comforter goes inside of it. But then I got these curtains and they're like a sheer pink, but it looked rose gold to me, so I just got it. And that's basically all that I got. Just doing a Reels video, and I'm just like recording the beginning of it and basically like getting ready. It was like a get ready with me type reel, so that's basically like I was recording like the intro. So follow me on my Instagram _uniquelyjazz and like keep up with your girl. And yep, I'm trying to like post like more often, like once a week or something. But yep, and now I'm just combing out this wig or whatever. This is a good wig, I haven't had any issues with it. So yep, and now I'm just doing my makeup and stuff. And I'm wearing the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Foundation, and I forgot what shade it was in, but it's the lightest one. And then I did my eyeshadow, and it was like an old eyeshadow palette from City Trends, so I don't remember the name of it. So this is the finished look and how my makeup turned out. So now I'm making the salad, and this is a pretty good salad. And this is what it looks like. It came in like this little packet thing with the vegetables and stuff and the seasoning, and on the instructions or directions it said I needed oil, so I used vegetable oil. And I'm just putting the noodles in a pot and stuff, and I added some butter because I always add butter when there's noodles. And so now I'm just doing my hair, and it's like a couple days after, and I'm just getting ready to go to the store and stuff. So I just thought that I would record it. So I'm about to go to Walgreens and get some like hygiene stuff and get stuff that's under $30. So when I walked in, I was mainly looking for all Dove products. I wanted Dove body wash and lotion and a deodorant, and I didn't see any lotion, but I saw the body wash and the deodorant. But the only issue is like they were locked, so I needed a employee to unlock it, and I didn't feel like asking anybody to unlock it, so I was mad about that. But I still bought some stuff from Walgreens, and I just went to Family Dollar to get the other stuff like the body wash and the lotion, and I was trying to stick to my list and get everything on the list. But I did get some press-on nails and they were on my list, so, and at first I was gonna get these ones, but I ended up getting the Kiss French tip nails or whatever, and I got some glue to go with it because I was scared that it didn't have glue in the kit. But then I got a lip balm by Maybelline, and that was on my list also. And I was trying not to go over budget, but Walgreens was pretty like expensive, and I was just trying to stick with the budget. So I just got the lip balm and so I was gonna get some razors for like my underarms and stuff, but it was a little over my budget, and I didn't want to get the really cheap ones because I don't know how they would react to my skin or whatever, so I just forgot about it. Get everything on my list because I felt like it wasn't necessary at the time and it was over budget. But I got this body wash by Modessa, and it's a good body wash and it works pretty good. And then I got this lotion, and at first I didn't notice that it was cocoa butter, but it's whatever. But I heard that it's good for your skin. And then I got this little shower thing, and I haven't had one of these in a while, but I don't really use these that often because it's like rough or whatever. And I got the lip balm, and I really like this lip balm because it's a good lip balm or whatever. So now I am doing my nails and stuff because my nails been looking crusty for like weeks and stuff, so I'm just clipping my nails and stuff. And yep. So these are what my nails look like. I really like them, and I haven't had my nails done in a while, so they look really good. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you made it this far to the end of the video, comment down below and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope your girl get to 500 subscribers, and I will see you guys in my next video.